Nakabenta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
May I ask the outgoing member to sit down, please, not to interrupt the conversation.
I think we have the privilege to speak and voice the sentiment of the people. So I think it will be better if you allow me to submit a few submissions. So if we go according to the Rule 20 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in this other house, it speaks about the language of the assembly. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August house. So, the government of India did not pay any heed to the demand of the state for inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule, thereby depriving us in various ways. So, sir, I want to appeal to you, sir, that the government should address us in the language we understand, sir. I don't want that we will proceed. We have to start shouting slogan if the government continue to address us in this. I understand the people and the leaders of the state.
With the chair,
We just don't get the state simple.
all the members are requested to sit down. When the chair is on the floor, one is speaking. Nobody else is there.
आगे बढ़ाने वाले सदन की गरिमा को बनाए रखने का आग्रह करता हूँ। This is not the way the Honorable Governor is addressing the House. This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated to everybody, and there is no reason why it should be made. If an individual has got certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow, because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honorable Governor is speaking only because he wants to. He is able to read Hindi, he is not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that he should raise that issue. He is not doing it because he wants to do it. He is doing it because he has limitations of reading, not in English, but in Hindi. And therefore the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence,
Ningi mihap ya kanin ka jingkren ka jong governor dakatin Hindi. Namar ba nginang ele kapala bani kun ban pnio ya katin Khasi ko official language. Ndrei ka government of India kam patiaw kapha manini ni governor ki bakren da Hindi ki bangi me suthu sukhaw yung ikren baki. Hey, telar ki ong baki la circulate ni English version to puli governor pinchto mil de banwa.
Bari ben shong hi labiang sepulit ini labiang bali PV Singapore ke sini. Ban shong tu di kenta ban sngap yang ketin tu ngim soko. Ban ngim ban kelat baki pat ba baki nongelam. Ki bai khi ban prio ya ka state le jong. Kadang tang nama ba ka sokar asam ka persang ban plong ka asmis ka official language. Tema kata-kata pimla ban insult. Ya gitu ki leaders ki bala ya khon me ki pat ba. Kani nei kadai ka jingpi bangim don ka burong. It shows a complete disrespect. Ya gitu ki pat ba ki ngelam ki bala khon ban prio ek state.
Mana dan boleh persiapkan tu boleh pilih tahu pilih.
Kani ka stand juga voice of the people party kita sum ka party ni yang ka norim ka bo pat ba kuat eh. Ngile ai bo pat ba community ngi begini benar.
Badan ini sungai sedang senjata ini tempat ini simpan senjata.
Ngini simpan mami ayo ya kani ka address. Ngini simpan mereka protes kini tolong balik dia pion bertrend dan ketin Hindi yang assembly tangga. Very simple reason.
Jimbitar kalau tentang sih.
Ha, kani tangga ni ka prosedur ba tangga ni ka address. Pun ban pendung ya ka ketin khasi haki chini kade ke jeng khon ka ya. Bat ni ru ka party ngin budin kan de wei ni issue ka bani ngin ship kya. Kuno bangin yo ya ka jing thu official language.
Tekai ke Punjab pada layar mentah kia, buat house kiwan pengkan dah Hindi.
Kadang kata kan kabang ini persyak, kadang kata kadang kabang ini persyak akan jaga bapin ayo pin kentuk no ya ketir kasih bergaruh apa each du bahkan kalau ka official language pin seluruh mana ya kejengkeran Hindi. Kabang ini bahkan boy ke pohon bah kejeng community juga begini yo ya ketir kasih official language kan boy.
Atau por bagi gubernur bukan Hindi, dan di MLA bukan kasih. Hayu terbaru.
Nah, semua ngantip kata kajing soju kih mereka kajing soju kalau mengin berpawe ke kajing persyabu ni governor untuk mengingim pedang ni akan kajing keren juga.
Memang tak tinggal kasih ni am.
Nginum keren kasih nginum keren mereka. Nama empat day ka official language nginum pak keren buat paling ilak berkeren terdiri ki don ki prosedur ki hapan le ki time consuming prosedur. Nginum keren hidup ketin guys.